Today in Garage Mahal, we are going to be working on our ATV. It's a Quad Runner, 4-wheel drive. Love this thing. However, it's been starting to stall a little bit. So usually one of two things. Either you need a new carb, which is, I'll show you where that is, or you need a new air filter. More times than none, it's the air filter. People tend to let them get really oily and mucky and sitting out in the elements, and then they get wet. But anyway, this is the lever for underneath the seat. So that lifts that up pretty quick and easy. And your air filter is actually in here. So you got these two screws that you need to remove. Also, great time to remove some leaves. So that comes up, that comes out. You got those two tabs. Perfect for a little tool tray. And you can tell this thing hasn't been, see how like moist it is. So that hasn't been used in a while. So pull that out. And then that is your filter. That's your new one. I bought this on, I think I got this on Amazon. It was like $10 or something like that. FS905. I'll put the links to it. So you got to remove this bottom bracket. Just that one little screw. Of course, it's taking forever. Okay. All right, so that one little screw comes out. Put that in our screw holder. And you can tell just how like worn this thing is. So that's your filter box. This is your new filter. You basically just kind of slide it in. Since it's new, it's going to be a little on the tight side. Careful not to rip it, that's all. Okay, and we got that piece lined up. Put that back on. It's going to be kind of weird to line that screw up, but once you got it, you'll be okay. Alright, and make it snug, but don't over tighten it. Now you want to pull this gray piece down a little bit, so because it's going to kind of fit back in there. Sit on top of that pipe, like so. So then when you put this down here, it's going to push it, and then that little gray thing is kind of like your gasket per se. Okay. Put your two holder screws back down. Now, some people like to wash these out. I throw them right out. They're cheap enough. Replace them once a year. It's not going to break the bank. That's your carb, so if you guys are ever brave enough to get to that, that's where that is located. And then the two seat tabs are here. Kind of slide it back. You feel it going in place. Kind of feel it going in place. There we go. Then, oh. There we go. There we go. Okay. Make sure it clicks back in place, but that's it. That is your quick and easy Quad Runner air filter change. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Be safe out there. Brian from Garage Mahal.